Doing affiliate marketing with TikTok ads is the ultimate set it and forget it business model right now. TikTok ads are an absolute gold mine right now. And if you're doing affiliate marketing and you're not running TikTok ads right now, you're totally completely missing out. In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through the process of setting up a proper TikTok ad account with the proper affiliate marketing system in the background so that it could run and it could make you profit while you sleep. And that way, if you're working a 9 to 5 or you have some kind of brick and mortar business that's breaking your back right now, you can set this thing up and it can make profits for you and grow and scale. But before I do that, first of all, I'm the infamous Joel, and your boss hates me because I show you how to live a life for freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And if you're infamous too, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Now let's go. Now maybe you've run ads with affiliate marketing in the past. Maybe some guru or some course out there is telling you to do that right now. Maybe someone's telling you to do the dreaded solo ads. Oh God, you know how I hate those things. But you found that either you lose money or you're basically breaking even, and it's like really hard to figure it out, and you're losing a bunch of money and you're like, what's going on here? Well, I'm going to first break down to you exactly why that's happening and exactly what you need to do instead. But first, I want to talk about the mindset behind ads in general, but especially TikTok ads. This is gonna work. Everyone who I've ever helped set this up, it's worked for them, it works for me, it works for everyone. But you have to have the right mindset. Now, what do I mean by that? What I mean by that is that you have to have a long-term success mindset. Most of the problems that you see out in the world right now are because people take shortcuts for everything. They take the short way to pleasure. They smoke, they do drugs, they drink, they do this, they do that, because they want the short-term gratification and don't care about the long-term repercussions. Think about it. If you're in a bad place in your life right now, it's more than likely because of that reason, because you always took short-term gratification over long-term repercussions or rewards, or that, whichever one ended up happening. So you have to switch your mindset to a mindset of, okay, in the short term, I'm willing to take a bit of a hit. I'm willing to see some small repercussions in the short term. I'm okay with that because in the long term, I'm going to see some big rewards from my actions. That's all it is. It's a tidal wave, right? It's a ripple effect into the universe. The actions that you perform today ripple out into the universe, not to get all metaphysical on you, and then you start to see the rewards come back to you, whether it be positive or negative. So think about that, not just in business, not just in affiliate marketing, but in life in general. What kinds of payoffs are you looking for? You're looking for a short-term gratification payoff or long-term. So obviously, that being said, this system, affiliate marketing with TikTok ads, it works. You're going to make a profit, but you have to have a long-term mindset with it. You have to know that there is a process, a step-by-step mapped out process. And in the beginning, you might freak out a little bit because it might look like you're losing money. It might look like, oh, where's the payoff for this? I'm going to walk you through exactly how it works and exactly how over the long run, you will start to break even and then start to make a profit. And then everything will start turning around in your favor. And once it's set up properly and once everything is running right, you're making affiliate commissions out the wazoo, and you're able to quit your 9 to 5 or you're able to walk away from your brick and mortar business. So with that mindset stuff out of the way, I want to talk about now how all this is your key to success with this affiliate marketing plus TikTok business setup is nothing more than a numbers game. When you break it down into math, you take all the emotion out of it, and then you take a step back and you look at the whole system and say, oh, okay, I see how it works. So let's look at the exact math I'm talking about. Now, if you're not familiar with affiliate marketing and it's your first time on this channel, first of all, hit the thumbs up and subscribe. But second of all affiliate marketing is, if you boil it down to the most basic elevator pitch sentence I possibly can, it's when you market and promote someone else's product or service, whether it be an individual or a big company, whatever. You are promoting somebody else's stuff, and for every sale that you bring in, you're receiving a commission for your efforts. That's it. Everything else out there that's over complicated, I don't overcomplicate things on this channel. That's all you're doing. Okay. So that being said, in order to get TikTok ads to work with your affiliate marketing business, then the answer for this is simple. All we need to know is how much we're paying to get someone over to our product, right? Not our product, technically someone else's product, but the product that we're promoting, how much are we paying for that? And then how much profit are we making back once they buy? So basically, how much is the payout? How much is the commission? And as long as that number is at very, very bare minimum, at least break even, then we have a winning situation. Well, why would I want to break even, Infamous Joel? That sounds crazy. I'm spending money just to make the same amount of money back. I'm going to tell you exactly why in this video, so stay tuned, watch to the end. I'm going to tell you how even if you don't fully profit on the front, okay, on the back, you're going to make plenty of money. I'm going to show you exactly how that breaks down and exactly what we do inside of the affiliate franchise and help you build out this exact system we're going to talk about. Now, first and foremost, inside of the affiliate franchise, this is something that we call our TikTok ads hyper growth system. Why is it the hyper growth system? I'm going to show you exactly why step by step in a minute, but all you need to know for now is because if we can get these ads to at least break even, that's a bare minimum. That's where we want to get to, bare minimum, okay? That means that we can hyper growth our list, our presence, our customer base, our prospects, our business, 10-fold, 20-fold, 30-fold. People ask me a lot of times how I was able to scale all the way from 10K per month to 20 to 30 to 40K per month. This is exactly how I did it, and this is exactly how I walk you guys through inside of the affiliate franchise, but I'm going to give it to you away right here in this video. Now stay tuned and watch this. So the first thing that happens here, let me get my little red pen. The first thing that happens is obviously the topic of this video. We're going to run TikTok ads, right? We're going to pay for TikTok ads, and if you need to have some kind of a budget for this. Everyone asks me, what should I start with? To be safe, anywhere from 500 to 1,000, the more the better, okay? The more budget you have, the better, because we're going to do a lot of testing, a lot of split tests, a lot of creatives, a lot of different things to make sure that the ads are working, that people are actually clicking on them and interested. Okay, so we're going to run TikTok ads, and we're going to run TikTok ads to our affiliate funnel or our affiliate system. Every business on planet Earth is a system. It's some kind of a system. You cannot set up a business online and trade your job or your brick and mortar business or your self-employment or whatever, where you're working a million hours a week. You can't trade that in for another job. So we don't want to do that. The whole reason we're getting into affiliate marketing is because we can systemize it and scale it up. That way we can work very little on our business and enjoy our lives, spend time with our kids, travel, do all those things. So we need to be running ads to our system. Now, what is the system? There's probably another video somewhere on this channel where I break down exactly how a sales funnel works, how everything's connected, but we build this system out for you inside the affiliate franchise. But just know it's a sales funnel connected with email campaigns, with all kinds of follow-ups. It's a whole automated robotic thing, okay, that works for you in the background. So what happens here? What happens next once they go through our system, once they land on our pages, our website stuff, all of our campaign things that we've set up inside of our affiliate system or affiliate funnel? What happens? We want to now push that lead, push that potential customer over to our main offer. Notice how I wrote here main offer, because as an affiliate marketer, you should have a main offer that you direct all of your marketing to, all of your effort, everything that you're pushing. You're pushing each of your prospects with your TikTok ads or whatever ads you're running, but in this video we're talking TikTok ads. You're pushing them to this main offer, and this main offer should be high ticket. What do I mean by high ticket? Every industry has premium products and services, okay? It doesn't matter if you're in health and fitness. It doesn't matter if you're in the relationship niche, if you're helping divorcees. It doesn't matter what you're doing. There's always a product or service that's considered premium or luxury or high ticket. So depending on the industry, high ticket could be $300, it could be $500, it could be $1,000, $2,000, all the way up to $5,000. And that's the commission that you're receiving for sending a prospect over that turns into a sale. So I'm going to put down here 1,000 just as a standard, whatever number we can just throw in there. Let's say you're in the make money online niche like I am. There's a lot of $1,000 commission products in the make money online niche because obviously make money, business, wealth, let's just be honest, a lot of times the payouts inside of those industries are going to be really, really high, okay? So once we know that, once we know what our main offer is and what our payout is going to be as an affiliate, the rest of this is really, really simple. All we have to do is figure out or look at and monitor, okay, how much did we spend to receive that one payout, that one customer? So that way we get a gauge, we get a number. And we know, okay, if I spend this much, I can pretty much predictively say to myself, okay, every time I spend this much, I make a sale. Okay, so let's say in this scenario, you've spent $800. Okay, you spent $800 on TikTok ads. So boom, $800 out of your bank account, out of your credit card, whatever it is that you're using. But remember, and this is why I hate clickbank stuff. This is why I hate the cheap stuff. This is why it just doesn't work for me or a lot of other people, is because it's just not high ticket enough to absorb all of that traffic, to absorb all the people that land on these pages in your funnel, in your system, everything you've set up that say no. Most people are going to say no that first time. That's just how all marketing, all advertising, all everything works. Affiliate marketing or TV marketing, it doesn't matter. Most people say no. When you turned on the TV last night and you saw that Charmin commercial, you didn't switch your toilet paper over instantly, right? Most of the time, you're going to need to see that ad over and over and over again to convince you that this is the right choice for you. So let's just say we have our high ticket program, our high ticket main offer that we're promoting set up here. We're pushing all these people over to it. We spent a whole $800, man. It was like, 800 people. We spent $1 per person. It was like, man, is anybody ever going to buy? And if you were promoting something cheap, you would have given up a long time ago, right? But because we're promoting high ticket and we're making $1,000, we have that safety net. We have that margin for error where it's like I can spend all the way up to 1,000 before I even break even, and I'm fine with that. So in this case, we did more than break even. We made $200 right there on the front. Okay, so we spent 1,000 and made back 200. Okay, made back 1,200, but 200 of that was made back 1,000. We spent 800. Man, my math gets all crazy. We spent 800, made back 1,000, so our profit was 200. So excuse me there. I'm the worst person at math. I was a 9th grade dropout. But the point is, when I look at this account and when it happens to me, all I care about is I took home something, or at least I broke even. Because here's what happens next. And you might be wondering, what happens next? I don't want to do this. I don't want to spend $800 just to make $200 back. This is not the kind of business that's going to get me out of my 9-to-5 or my brick and mortar. Infamous Joel, what the hell do I follow you for? This is horrible. Well, I'm going to break it down why this works super, super well. But first, make sure if you're getting a lot of value from this video, hit that thumbs up button down below the video to let YouTube know to push this out to more people. It helps creators like me. I don't get any money from this video. Well, maybe I get a few cents here and there, but for the most part, what I really take joy in and what really helps the channel is to push these videos, get the more content from the channel out to more people. And the only way that YouTube knows that this is valuable content is if you hit that thumbs up button. So please hit the thumbs up button. Don't be greedy. Don't be mean. Don't be selfish. Don't be, oh, I'm not doing that. I'm lazy. I'm just going to watch the rest of the video. Please just hit the thumbs up button as an appreciation for me, and I'll appreciate you right back. Okay, I'll keep giving you this awesome content. Now, why is this important? Why did we do all of this just to make $200? Why was this a great idea in the first place? Well, because what a lot of times gurus don't really cover with you, and again, I made sure that before we even started this journey, you had a long-term mindset, right? Long-term mindset. So what we're going to do now is this affiliate funnel, this affiliate system that we'd helped you set up if you were in the affiliate franchise, but you can set up yourself. You can do it yourself if you want. Now, this system, we're going to take people's information, their email address, their name, maybe their phone number inside of this system. So when we run those TikTok ads, those leads, those prospects didn't just disappear if they said no, right? Most people will say no the first time, but they didn't just vanish into thin air. We collected their information, their contact information up front. So now, boom, they drop down to our email list. And from our email list, we can now remarket to them, right? We can follow up with them over and over and over and send them emails and emails and emails with different, supporting, boom, this is the magic right here. Supporting offers. And this is why I wrote main offer right here. Main offer is the main thing that we're pushing people to from our ads. The main reason for the main offer is to pay for our ads. Okay, so what happens then? this hyper growth. If people are paying for our ads, and even if we're making a little profit on the top, like the $200 I talked about, that means that this becomes a flywheel. Do you see how powerful this is? Give me a comment in the comment section below if you understand how powerful this is. This is the new century. This is the new way. This is like job killing right here. This is how people are quitting their 9-to-5 left and right. This is how we're seeing so many success stories in the affiliate franchise. Okay? Is because when this system is set up properly, when we're building this out and we're running this traffic, we're paying money for these ads and we're making that money back or even making some profit on top of that, we can run this system until we're blue in the face forever and ever, right? Forever and ever until the end of time. And so what happens is on the back end, these supporting offers, this is all free money. Free money. So let's go back to our original example of, let's say you're in Make Money Online like I am. You have a main offer, you're promoting the affiliate franchise or something else that you think is awesome. We're paying you high ticket commissions, right? We're paying you a ton of money up front so that way you can break even or even make profit on your ads. And you can run this forever and ever and ever and ever and ever. Well, guess what? You're building your email list. All of the people who said no from the ad, they're still dropping down into your email list and you're able to follow up. Even better is this email list, okay, is automated. This is automated. Automated. Okay? I forget exactly who it was. One of those famous entrepreneurs that said you will never become wealthy until you can make money in your sleep. Okay? Until the hours that you're not working, you're still making money. That's passive income, right? That's what everybody's after. This is how you set up passive income. This is why TikTok ads are so powerful right now. This is why choosing to promote a high ticket offer versus a low ticket works so well. This is why we at the affiliate franchise pay you a very high ticket commission so that we can help you build out this system, so that we can help you make sure that you make even a small profit or a little extra profit on the front, but on the back with these email follow-ups, you're cleaning up. This is all free. You're building your email list, growing your customer base sky high until the end of times, okay? And you can promote to them and promote to them and promote to them and promote to them. Any other offers you find anywhere on the internet, you just keep promoting to them. You know, granted it's in the same niche. Please don't just promote them any old thing like a pair of socks or something. So if you were in Make Money Online, it'd be like things like ClickFunnels or email responders or anything else that's going to help them get the job done, right? Or crypto offers or whatever. You know that this list of people is at least interested in those things because they clicked on the ad that said, hey, are you interested in these things? So that is the magic of using TikTok ads to grow your business to the moon in affiliate marketing. And right now, TikTok ads, I forgot to mention this, are super cheap right now. Facebook ads are getting destroyed by TikTok advertisers. Everyone's leaving Facebook as their main advertising platform. Facebook still has all the data. They still have their pros and cons of it, but they have massive cons. Okay, a lot of cons. I've had my ad account shut down on Facebook a million times, and I'm sure there's a lot of other advertisers on there that can tell you the same story. TikTok is a lot more advertiser friendly right now and very, very cheap traffic. So if you're not taking advantage of this right now, you are completely missing out. And if you need help building up this system, setting up passive income, leaving your 9-to-5 or your brick and mortar business, make sure you click the link down below, set up a call with our team. We'll see if we can build this out for you. And I'll see you in the next video. I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.